Hi, this is Landon with the Dent Connection in Marble Falls again, and I have got a really big job here for you to check out. I'll bring you in here and check it out, but this Chevy truck was backed into a tree, and it's a really big dent. It's pretty complicated. It's got some scratches on here. We're going to buff out and make that look better, and then we're going to do our best to see if we can get most of this dent out. Whether it'll be 100%, I'm not sure, because sometimes it's just how the metal reacts as we start moving it around and reshaping it. But the good thing about it is it's pretty blunt, which is better than it being real pointed or jagged or something like that. So anyways, I'm going to bring it in a little bit closer and let you check it out. Okay everyone, as you can see, I started out with the glue pulling process first, because with this big of a dent, the glue will pull the dent much softer than trying to push it out with some tools. So if I figured that this will soften it up, bring out a good chunk of the dent. I'm going to bring you and let you look and see where I'm at so far. But we've got most of the scratches buffed out, and a lot of the dent's already pulled out with the glue, so the next step is going to the tools. So I'll bring you in and let you kind of take a look at where I'm at, and then I'll show you how the tool process works. Doing a little sanding, kind of knocking down some of the highs and really making it nice and flat, and makes it. Then I'll end up buffing it again one more time, making it look really good. And then I'll be pulling it outside and taking a look at it, and then I'll show you the final results are as soon as I get done wrapping up this buffing. Alright, as you can see here, we got this giant dent out of there. It looks great, as you saw in the video. Is it 100% perfect? It's not 100% perfect, but the alternative is body shop, either a major repair or a new bedside. And so I can tell you that my customer is going to be really happy. Saved them a lot of money, a lot of time, all in all. Got this job done in a half a day. So we saved the paint, still got factory paint intact. So if you back into a tree like this person did, or something else, it doesn't have to be as bad as you might think it is. So give us a call at Dent Connection here in Marble Falls, Texas at 830-660-0580 or dentconnection.com. Look us up at Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I appreciate you watching.